welcome back to the Tinkerage, and welcome to the next episode of the Reorganisation vlog. So far the only thing that has happened this week is the nails, a pair of shelves there that were storing nails and assorted things on top have now gone, which means that all those things are now on the workbenches again. So back to square one with the workbenches. So hopefully this weekend I shall be able to get working on the storage that's going to go up there. Although on Saturday I am planning to go to the FFX tool show, which is taking place not far from where I live. So looking forward to perhaps a day out there drooling over tools that I'd love to fit in here, but don't have the space nor the money for. So progress is slow. I'm hoping for some more good weather. I'm hoping to get some storage up, and just the next stage of the restoration. I keep calling it, for some reason I keep calling it restoration. The next stage of the reorganisation. Each stage produces new solutions to previous problems, but it also seems to be throwing up new problems as well. Again, that's part of life. That's part of trying to reorganise, particularly a very small space. Okay, thank you for dropping by. Only a quick one today. Hopefully there'll be some more probably later on the weekend. Bye for now.